Today I'm just going to briefly run through how I set up a project and stay organized by appropriately naming and nesting my file folders. To get started, we need to create a folder that we're going to use for the class. To do that, we can go to File menu, choose New Folder, which will put a new folder onto the desktop. Name it DMA underscore because we never put spaces in things that we're going to use on the web. Underscore, and you can put your name onto it. And this is something that you should store either on removable media, flash drive, hard drive, or Dropbox if you intend to use Cloud Solution to store things. Within that file folder, I can make we have four projects that we're doing this semester. So those are additional folders that I can create inside our DMA 145 and your name folder. And you can name each folder project underscore, again, no spaces. Once we've done that, make sure the DMA 145 folder is selected and create another folder. Call it project underscore 2. And third folder project underscore 3. And I know, you're probably saying, wait a second, all you really need to do is just hold down the control key and press duplicate and it'll make a copy of that, and then you can just go change out the name. Either way you want to do it, that's fine, as long as you wind up with 4 project folders. So working in project 1, because that's what we're working on right now for our historical figure, with project 1 folder selected, you're going to go back up to that little gear icon, choose new folder, and create a folder called images. All the images that are associated with project 1 are going to wind up within that images folder. And this is what I mean when I say, like, being organized and putting stuff in the right place is really, really important. Otherwise it can get really confusing and things can get lost, because a lot of times when I'm working I have all these different projects folders that usually have the name of the client's website or the work website that I'm working on. Each one contains an images folder, each one contains a content folder. And if I accidentally put things in the wrong place, like I said, it can get really confusing. So with project 1 selected, we're going to put another folder into project 1. Again, click on the little gear icon, choose new folder, and this folder we're going to name content. And the content folder is for all the things in your website, any Word docs you might have, plain documents you might have, raw images that you don't want to put on the web server, that would go into the content folder. The last thing we would put in this folder that we haven't created yet because we haven't written the code for it or worked in Dreamweaver would be our start page, which would be called index.html, and that is what we'll work on next.